Hello children, today we will learn a new lesson from your Pathways book. Chapter 1, Goldilocks and Three Bears. This is a story of a girl child named Goldilocks and Three Bears. Let's listen and enjoy the story. Goldilocks is on a picnic with her family. But she wanders away. She is lost. Goldilocks said, "I will find my way." She sees a small cottage. Goldilocks goes near the door and said, "Hello, is anyone home?" The door is open. She walks in. Goldilocks is hungry. She looks into the kitchen and sees 3 bowls of porridge. Porridge is a healthy food made of oats and milk. Goldilocks tries the porridge in the first bowl. She said, "It's too hot." She tries the porridge in the second bowl. "It's too cold." Now she tries the porridge in the third bowl. "Yummy! This bowl is perfect." Goldilocks eats and puts the bowl in the kitchen sink. Goldilocks is tired. She wants to sit in a comfortable chair. She sees 3 chairs. She tries the first chair. It's too high. Then she tries the second chair. It's too big. She tries the third chair. Ah, this chair is just right. But the chair breaks. Goldilocks is sleepy. She sees 3 beds. She tries the first bed. It's too hard. Then she tries the second bed. It's too soft. She tries the third bed. Wow, this bed is just right. She is fast asleep when Mama Bear, Papa Bear and Baby Bear come home. "Someone ate my porridge and broke my chair," said the baby bear. They go to the bedroom. "Someone is sleeping in my bed," said the baby bear. Goldilocks wakes up. Papa Bear said to Goldilocks, "Who are you?" "I am Goldilocks. I lost my way. I came here for help." Mama Bear said, "We saw someone looking for a little girl." "Baby Bear, can you please take this little girl to her family?" Goldilocks said to the baby bear, "I am sorry for breaking your chair." Baby bear said, "It's all right." Goldilocks thanks the bears. She is very happy to go back to her family. Now children, we will do exercises related to this chapter. Page number 17. Read the following statements and say whether they are true or false. Number 1. The bears were in the house when Goldilocks went in. It is false because the bears were not in the house when Goldilocks went in. Number 2. Goldilocks ate up all the porridge from all the 3 bowls. It is false as Goldilocks had eaten third bowl only. Number 3. Goldilocks slept on baby bear's bed. Yes, it is true. Number 4. Goldilocks was sorry for what she had done. Yes, it is true. Next question. Why did Goldilocks have the porridge from the third bowl and not from the other two bowls? Answer. Goldilocks had the porridge from the third bowl as it was perfect, whereas the other two bowls had very hot and cold porridge. Question number 2. Why did the Goldilocks sleep on the third bed? Answer. Goldilocks slept on the third bed because it was comfortable and fit for her. Question number 3. What did Mama Bear ask Baby Bear to do? Answer. Mama Bear asked Baby Bear to take the little girl to her family. Question number 4. Why did Goldilocks say sorry to Baby Bear? Goldilocks said sorry to Baby Bear as she had broken his chair. Hope you all enjoyed the story and got well with the exercises. Children, revise it again.